How to see my purchase history on TEMU. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find your purchase history on your TEMU app. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new uploads. Alright, let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your TEMU app and make sure that it is up to date. Just go ahead and open up your Play Store and update the app. And once you do that, make sure to log into your account. And once you have logged in order to access your purchase history, you will have to go ahead and navigate your way to this U tab at the bottom. Now, once you are on your U tab, all you have to do here is go ahead and search for your orders. You can usually find it right here on top, but if you don't see it, you can always search for the option. So once you find your orders, just tap on it. Now the very first screen will show you all of your available orders, which include the orders that have already been delivered, which is in processing, or which you have returned previously. So this one includes everything. But if you want to look at your specific order history, here at the top you can see different tabs like processing, where you will find all of your processing orders, and shipped, which where you find all of the products that have been shipped to your shipping company, and delivered is something the products that you have received, and on returns you will find the products if you have returned some products. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.